I'm on my way.
I need a curtain.
I'm on my way to the chiropractor. You're not in it. Nadine and Dream is meeting me there. Dream said he's gonna go ahead and see the chiropractor today. His back really hurts because he's really tall and he tends to walk over like that a little bit. I don't know why he do that, but he always did that as a kid. He's always been the tallest one in class. Everywhere we went, Dream was the tallest. Hopefully the chiropractor can help him today, but I'm definitely going to see a chiropractor because last night I decided to watch Angry Birds and I got into bed and I woke up to all three of my grown children in the bed play fighting, arguing on top of each other, and I was in the middle of the chaos and I was saying to myself, oh my God, and trying to get out of the bed and get away from them. I feel like I'm hurting, so I'm going to go see the chiropractor today. I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe all three of them was in my bed. And then Toya gets up this morning talking about, Mom, can I have a cookie? Can I have a cookie? And I'm halfway asleep singing, a cookie? What cookie? She being funny, because that's what they used to do to me when I was asleep, would ask me for snacks while I was sleeping. I would say, yeah. And then when I wake up and realize that all the snacks are gone, then I'm mad. Then they said, but you said we can have it. When they gonna grow up? So crazy, because last night all three of them was in the bed with me. What I don't get is no matter how old they get, they still end up in the bed with me. All three of them. And then it's not like maybe one will lay next to me, then the other one to come later. It's like all three at the same time. When they decide to fight and play, they still in the bed with me. There's no consideration for me. Like, oh, mommy's tired, she's sleepy.
Dream started it.
Dream like to play and he don't stop. Nadu likes to instigate, and Toya likes to pick. You put all three of that together, it's a bad mix. Like, for real.
Hey guys, so right now I'm at the joint where Grandma is getting her back fixed soon, and Auntie's gonna be here in a minute, and my sister and Mom's in the car. It's really inside, and I say, yo, I'm like, wow, maybe I could get one, but it says only for 18 only. Grandma, what are we gonna do next?
Toya's gonna go get a massage.
And that's it. Put on my clothes and stuff for this fancy clothes and stuff, and now I'm thinking like we're gonna go somewhere fun.
Where you wanna go?
You guess.
Oh, you wanna go to Funplex?
It's gonna be a hard problem. Poor Mom's saying no because she likes to say no.
You wanna go to Chuck E. Cheese?
No. We went to a movie last night, and I enjoyed the movie, but Grandma didn't.
Like a stuffed animal out of a gumball machine.
The dragon was a dog. He thinks he was a dog.
The dragon was a dog when he started twisting his tail.
It was in a funny way. She don't believe in dragons, mermaids. She think we're monsters, so the mermaids are monsters, so they eat us.
You paint this pretty picture, it probably look scary and probably eat us. And probably be food.
Mommy, what's like? Who says that? I gotta go pee. I'll be back in 5 minutes. 7 of the world's most dangerous ones. Crashes on the those are sound training. And calling one to them. Sister but their older purpose is built till cause her learning point. There's the gorillas. And Sam and Silverman. Oh, the person that is on the phone said the gorilla stopped doors, trolling from the phone. Weird.
So check to see how that's moving. It's a little tight on this right side. this side here. So, what? Start here. Table's a little noisy. Just get a little bit of the pelvis here first. On as well. Not so bad, right? Deep breath in. Here's some popping. All right. Deep breath in. Good or bad? Awesome. I told you you're gonna feel like a running man, right? Breathe in a little more here.
He's probably scared.
Oh.
Okay. So it's a little different here. Pull your head back here, just for that one.
Relax.
Oh.
Ow. Oh, I'm sorry.
How about from there? Say that again. Breathe in and out. Sure, we got that. Easy there. Get you on your right shoulder here, there, and right side. Walk out this top one here. Surge it to your side here. It's going to feel like you're going to fall off. Don't worry. I'll catch you on the second bounce, all right? Still, still what? Still taking it all in. Get you more on the shoulder. You did. They start right here. This is like so good when it's okay for you to look at
Can't do that with a laugh, right? Just laugh it off.
That could be time muscle. So I'm making sure it's not deep in the joint, is it? Deep. side.
That's what's waiting me to do.
It's aggravated. So that's muscle there. We're gonna start stretching out that IT band, and so doing this stretch here. We're gonna start working on that in about 2 weeks. Alright, come on up when you're ready. Stand up to
How you feel? Say that hurt is back in it.
Yeah, I heard what was going on. I was laughing.
Instead of us, I guess to get something before we go to Funplex.
They don't have this in their like.
They don't have the coffee and all that?
No, they only got the buns.
Oh.
Also the sign.
Ooh. Let me have the one with the walnuts.
1 walnuts, 2 minis, and 2 of the big ones.
Yeah, I was gonna get me a good coffee drink.
Macchiato.
Macchiato. She said I said macchiato. She's so funny. I thought they had coffee drinks in here, so I was about to get me a good coffee drink to keep my energy up with these kids. And look at Dream playing.
Always playing.
Keeping the kids riled up. After we leave Funplex, we're gonna go to the mall. I don't even know what we're going to the mall for, because it's like a dreary day. Like, it's not raining right now, but
To
it's
get
not.
makeup. I know they're going to go to the mall to get makeup.
Oh, they might be going to Sephora, because Prosperity went in the bathroom, Nadine's bathroom, and took her highlighter brush and sharpened the pencil and combed out the hair. So now instead of looking like a fan, it looked like
Mom, you tell them the kids.
the brush looked terrible. That's all I could tell. The brush looked like it went through a blow dryer. Didn't was so upset when she went to go use her champagne pop and the brush looked like that. Oh my gosh, she'd like to die. I wonder what the kids gonna do when they get to Funplex, because they
I'm
got
gonna ride the Ferris wheel.
the Ferris wheel, okay. And then they have like go-karts, and then they have skating,
I'm gonna do a
arcade
lot.
games. We're not gonna do a whole lot because I don't want my energy to leave me. So we're only gonna be at Funplex for about a good hour and a half, right? I don't mind going to Chuck E. Cheese.
No.
I think when my kids were little, I didn't like the mouse, but the mouse don't bother me anymore. You know, the one that walk around? I can't stand that mouse.
So that mouse don't bother you. Probably gonna see that mouse and start running.
Rose spray.
Rounding her up.
He's starting his mess with TT. She's so nice and quiet. She ain't bothering nobody today. She's so sweet. You're so sweet.
You guys.
Granddaughter think I'm gonna attack the mouse when I see the mouse. I just don't like the big mouse in the cartoon.
Are you sure?
I hate that mouse. No, I don't hate the mouse. I just don't like it.
Grandma, you're gonna still attack the mouse.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. You're gonna still.
Grandma. Thank you.
You have something wrong with her face. Ew, you're like a little boy.
What are you going
I always do that because it's fun.